Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today we're going to be looking at what's in this lovely orange box. Now this came from Anne's Fabulous Finds. It was bought pre-loved, and I have ended up selling quite a bit of my jewelry lately, but without further ado, let's get started. So all Hermes fine jewelry comes inside a nice box like this. There is a lovely pillow this bangle bracelet is sitting upon. Now this is a CDC, a Collier du Chien Hermes bracelet. It does have sterling silver. It is all sterling silver, and it is pretty heavy. It's similar to a Cartier Love bracelet in my opinion, but a lot cheaper because of the material. You'll see these two Medora studs. This is very, I guess, well known. There is a little knocker thing. The back of the bracelet, you'll notice it is very scratched up, and that's because it is pre-loved. It did come with a story, and that's what I love about pre-loved. Now to open it, you just press this, and that releases the hinge. Here is a look at the sterling silver and the size small. The bracelet will go on like this and snap closed. To open it, press the sides and push up, and you just twist your wrist out like so. This is an Amazonite. It is a gemstone from Missoma of London. It is plated with gold, the front and the back. And this necklace does come with a beautiful dainty gold chain. There are different settings you can wear it on. There's 1, 2, 3 different lengths, which is really nice. It is a lobster clasp, and you will see it does say 925 and M for Missoma. So actually I think this chain is gold plated. Here is a good look. Sorry for the fuzzball. It's very dainty. I have worn it already. It's going to become an everyday piece. And it is in the same collection as my shield charm, which I'll go ahead and put out for comparison. This is a rose quartz I purchased last year from Missoma. This is a slightly different plating. Didn't come with the chain, but they look pretty nice together. Can be worn layered, or as I intend to do, I also have this owl that I picked up from Greece about 2 years ago that I may even work into it. So I think they look pretty nice as a little collection there. Now Selfridges does not send the little pouches that the jewelry directly from Missoma has, but it does come with a very nice little there's that one. And let me get the necklace in here. Here's what the box looks like. Let's look at the size comparison. Here are a pair of like pretty small earrings. I think they're about the size of a dime. What they look like next to the hoops. So the hoops are not too big, but they are a little bigger than like dainty, but they're very comfortable, if that helps. That's it for today's unboxing, but I will have another one coming in the next couple days. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.